Today I would like to share with you how you can use the home-based business tax advantages to increase your income. You see, saving taxes is actually better than increasing sales. Now, some of you might be asking what in the world I'm talking about, so let me explain. A federal tax reduction is the equivalent of tax-free income, while increased operating income incurs a tax liability. Many people don't realize that taxes alone are the single greatest expense to most families around the world. In fact, your tax expense can oftentimes be greater than the expense of your home, food, and clothes combined. The problem is, most of us don't realize that since taxes are our biggest expense, it can also be our biggest source of savings as well. This is usually due to a lack of education on the subject, since the IRS makes the tax code so easy to understand. Well, at this point you might be asking, if this is true, why don't I know about it? And the answer is that most of us are employees of a company and are the ones getting the heaviest tax burden, while the home-based business owners are the ones getting the biggest tax savings. So here's the difference. An employee immediately loses a huge chunk of their income to taxes, and they take home whatever is left over. As an employee, you have very limited deductions available to you. As a home-based business owner, you earn money, spend for whatever you want or need, and then pay taxes only on whatever is left over. In addition, they are entitled to dozens of deductions covering everything from mortgage and utilities to office equipment and travel. So let's get into some of the most common ways to boost your income through tax saving strategies. Number 1, maximize your business vehicle deductions. If you use any vehicle in the course of operating your home business, that usage is deductible as a business expense. Number 2, maximize your travel deductions. The advantage of a home-based business is that you can make sales and build your sales team anywhere. This means that wherever you go to pursue your business plan, your associated business expenses are deductible. Number 3, maximize your meal and entertainment deductions. You can save thousands of dollars through deductions for business meals and entertainment. Number 4, hire your children to realize big tax savings. You probably make your children do work around the house, so why doesn't your home-based business actually hire them to pay real tax-deductible wages? It's a business deduction for you and tax-free for your kids. And finally, number 5, health insurance deductions. As a self-employed business owner, you are entitled to deduct a percentage of your health insurance premiums as an adjustment to income. There are many other ways to minimize your tax liability, but these are just a few that I wanted to share with you today. You will find that these benefits are enough for anyone to want to start a home-based business, and that not only will this information help you build your business, but it will greatly increase the retention of your organization.